Today's AI tool is going to be very special because it offers you over 60 different portrait styles. These include photo manipulation, artistic styles, Halloween styles, and old money styles. The best part is that you can use your own selfie to generate an accurate face photo. Along with this, you'll find several AI tools like AI Face Swap, Headshot Generator, Passport Photo Maker, Photo Enhancer, and Background Remover. The first step is to go to your browser and type ies.com in the search bar. Once you hit the search button, the website will load. Once the website is open, you'll see the login button at the top right corner. Click on this button. If you want to log in directly through Google or Facebook, click on the Google Login or Facebook Login option. You can link your account and log in easily this way. Now, let's see how to use it. First, you'll find different portrait styles for both male and female categories. The one that impressed me the most is the Halloween style, where you can get results that look like hard photo manipulation. Then, there's the old money style, and I found one or two styles from this category to be really great. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to try is the old money style, which is trending right now. I'll select this one, and then I need to choose my photo. I'll be using this selfie, and one thing to remember is to use a selfie taken in good lighting conditions. If you use selfies, you'll get better results. So, I'll simply upload it here. Depending on your internet speed, uploading may take some time, but after a short wait, your photo will be uploaded. You'll also get various aspect ratios, like 9:1, and I'll select one by one and click on Generate. Now, this might take some time. When I used to do photo editing before, it would take me 4 or 5 hours to do a photo manipulation. But here, it will be done in under a minute, so we need to give it a little time. Okay, now our two photos are ready. The first one is here, and you can see that they've tried to keep the face accurate. I really like the face matching and the lighting. If you want to try a different style, you can click on Generate Headshot. Now, I'm going to try the Halloween style I was talking about. There's one called Magician that I want to try. I'll simply select it and choose my photo, then click on Generate. Now, look at the result and see how amazing it turned out. If I were to create this photo manually, it would take me 4 or 5 hours. So, I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.